as the foundation of the Red Cross movement, legacy and vision.
Gukwanira igoro y'umuchando bumurakera nabayigencharo yogendrete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo oimense ya Kenya William Ruto nigateba buna mbagendrete kubeka emerobero nabayigo babekire nsemo chiringi bilioni 2 ekyo kirache gokonya ase ogokora umuchando oyo.
As a government, apart from dealing with the current situation of drought, we are also making sure that we have continuous, sustained, predictable supply of food in our country, and that is why we are investing in fertilizer, we are investing in good quality seed. Kenya Red Cross and other humanitarian organizations to build capacity in our communities, even as we build the infrastructure to harvest water. And we have said that the first 100 dams are already in the works with our Ministry of Water and Irrigation, because we want to bring at least double the area under irrigation from 670,000 to 1.5 million acres in the next, to exploit the full potential of 3 million acres to be put under irrigation in our country as a mechanism of ensuring that we